Madison Reed to and we deliver it to your door. Plus, our hair color matching technology makes picking the right color easy, fast, and accurate. For a limited time, new clients get 15% off plus free shipping on your first online order. Visit madison-reed.com/offer. Take our online color quiz to find your perfect shade. madison-reed.com/offer. Try it. Love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Taking them on their first real roller coaster.
Hey, buddy, come on over.
I don't know.
Let's measure.
Okay.
You're just tall enough.
Yes!
Getting back to the moments we miss starts with getting informed. Get the latest info about COVID-19 vaccines at getvaccineanswers.org. It's up to you. Brought to you by iHeartRadio and the Ad Council.
And we return to Our American Stories and the story of Captain John Smith. Let's return to Juliana Rogers.
So they're funded by a company called the Virginia Company of London. They have 3 goals for the group that's heading to Virginia. Number 1, find gold. Number 2, find the Northwest Passage. So during that time, they believed there was a waterway that connected the Atlantic to the Pacific, that they would be able to navigate and make it to the Orient. And the 3rd goal was to find any survivors from the lost colony. Several years earlier, another English expedition went to Roanoke, Virginia, and the English were never seen or heard from again. Captain Christopher Newport is in charge of the 3 ships heading across the Atlantic. Everyone admired Captain Christopher Newport. He was this tall, one-armed sea captain who actually...
Oh, wait a second. Fuck. Man, can I ever listen to the radio while buffering? Or whatever excuse. It fucking crashed. Yes, it did. Fuck. The fuck? It's been doing that lately too. Fuck, I can't listen to the radio while the fucking crashing. Fuck. Let me stop over here.